Which game should I? Oh, hi, hi. Well, this is going to be a review of, any game I can choose. Let's do action game. So many good games to choose from. Oh, thanks to Addicting Games, keep making awesome games. Keep updating the website. Um, do car. See what there is for car games. Oh, it's a beautiful day outside. Last time I went out there it was like bad out. Low, you stink. It's cool. Beep beep cars. Let's do monster truck demolisher. Let's do that.
When dreams become life, that's our horizon.
This is how to play. You balance left on the left key. Balance right on the right key. Go forward on the up key. And you go backwards on the down key. And you do space bar to jump. Let's turn it on. Let's on the laptop. Here we go. Let's do this. Ooh. Both the same. Here we go. I like jumping. Cars. Destroying them. If you guys have seen High yet, it is really funny. Ooh. I feel bad for that. For the guy who owns that. Yeah. One. And I believe there are like 20 levels. One world. Ugh. What's that for that driver? Rock. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this level. Let's beat it. Beat that period up. Beat that period up. Well, that is all for today, folks. So I will see you tomorrow. And bye-bye.